Okay, welcome to your dashboard for Brentwood Apartments. This is the home page, if you will, for the back end of your website. You'll notice on the side we have some basic navigational tabs here. Most of these will be ignored. We'll want to focus on the All Pages tab. This is where you would go ahead and edit or change information. If you'll click on the Amenities tab, you'll see we're on the Amenities page, and this is the basic site layout for the Amenities page. Now if you want to see what this page looks like, you can view the page. I always open it in a new tab so I can go back and forth. And you can see what the page looks like as you make changes. Now this is the top of the page. This is the bottom of the page. In the middle is the features table that we see here. If we go back, we can navigate through pages. Go to the home page. You'll see the basic layout of the home page. Let's just say you wanted to change your information. You'd hover over, click Edit Text Block. The information will show up in that text block. Now to edit the information, I always recommend going over here to the Text tab. Let's just say we want to change the phone number. We can do that. And we'll go ahead and leave that the same. Let's just assume that we changed the phone number. We click Save Changes. Then we can go Preview Changes, and that will open up the site in a new tab. And we can see here, this is where our phone number would have represented that change. We always want to click Update anytime a change is made. And by doing so, that essentially locks your changes in place. If you have new photographs that you would like to add to the website, you can do so by clicking on Media, Add New Item, select the file. You can go through and pick which file you would like, or you can simply drag the file here and it will upload in order. So we want to go ahead and delete an image, say. We can do so by clicking Delete Permanently. Let's say we don't like this one since we've got a new one. Deleted. And adding would be the same. Now let's go to, I always recommend copying this URL. Sometimes it helps when you need to add the photo. You can do it by the URL, or you can simply link the photo. I'll show you how to do so. Let's go back to our pages. We'll go to Photos. We have our gallery. Pretty simple. Edit the gallery. Here we go, we have the images here. Click on the plus. And now we have more images. Now we can add more images, detract more images. If we wanted to add Brentwood Apartments, let's just say to the gallery, go ahead and click Add Image down here. And then it will automatically pull that photo in here. From there, you would click Save Change. You'll notice added there, update or preview if you wanted to see what it looked like. Deleting the image is as simple as clicking the X in the middle, clicking Save. It will remove that image. Editing text and editing images are probably the easier of the tasks on the WordPress website. The Appearance tab changes colors, text, the footer at the bottom of the website. You can always send me an email if you're ever having any trouble with doing so. Users are who would be logging in to your website. So you can always go in and add a new user. It's a very easy process. Plugins typically auto update, but we can go ahead and click Update Available for those that don't automatically update. Select all, update, apply. And you can see it'll go ahead and start updating the ones that can be updated. That's okay. We're not using Layer Slider or the Visual Composer for this website, so those can remain unupdated. Settings here, we'll go ahead and change this over. Sorry. Just want to make sure that this is updated. That way the correct email is sent. Very easy to change settings. Typically you don't want to alter these URLs. The site title and the tagline show up here. You'll see Brentwood Apartments, and this is just a basic tagline explaining the website. These settings are pretty much, we don't really touch them. These settings here, found on the Code Options tab, are how we change the site color, page transitions, logos. These can all be edited and removed. However, this will change the overall design of the site. So I always recommend to send me a quick email before doing so. Sorry about that. Typically, these changes or changes to these settings are few and far between. You'll basically be working off of the Pages tab and the editors contained within. Again, if you have any questions on editing this website or adding a page, please feel free to reach out to me. I will be happy to assist with any questions or changes moving forward. Thank you, and this will conclude the basic tutorial on how to edit text and photos for BrentwoodApartments.us.